So let me tell you how you can increase the number of your push-ups just by following this easy but very effective method. Right now, probably you can do 20 push-ups, 10 push-ups or maybe just 5 push-ups, but actually इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But I feel if you can't do more than 4 push-ups, then you should fall back a little. Practice with the easier progressions, gain more strength and then start doing the regular push-ups, which I have explained better in my previous video and you should definitely check it out. During the 2020 lockdown, I decided to do in total 100 push-ups every day, which helped me a lot to increase my numbers. But if you are at a lower number of push-ups, then doing 100 push-ups every day is going to be difficult. In that case, you should do 10 sets of 50% of your maximum number of push-ups.
Say for example, if you can do 10 push-ups, तो फिर आपको 5 push-ups के 10 sets करने हैं. During your initial days, you might not be able to complete your final sets. In that case, you should shift to an easier progression and complete your set. If you don't know your maximum number of push-ups, then you can take a test 2 days before you start this workout. As you start feeling stronger, you can replace a few of your sets with different variations of push-ups, like the close grip push-ups, wide grip push-ups, or even decline push-ups. For a few sets, you can do weighted push-ups by simply adding weights like books, bottles, or even dumbbells in your bag and using it while doing push-ups.
There is one more method which will definitely help you increase your numbers. It is called greasing the groove. It implies that throughout the day, whenever you get some time, like as soon as you wake up or maybe during your work breaks, you put in a few sets or a few reps. I suggest you combine both of these methods and do it according to your own capacity and your own strength to get the best results out of it. Train on alternate days initially and slowly as you get stronger, आप रोज 10 sets कर पाएंगे. Maintaining proper form and doing controlled reps goes without saying. You can ask your doubts and tell me how many push-ups you can do in the comment section. You can also connect with me on Instagram or on Discord and also share your progress with me over there. So yes, that's it for this video. This is Sandeep Kinlekar. Have a great day and keep pushing.